Hi guys, I just wanted to make sure that we're all on the same page with Go Math and Think Central. When you go to the Manuka student links, you see the Go Math app. You click Go Math and it brings you to Think Central. It may ask you to sign in with Google. If so, click sign in with Google and type in your password. Next, when you're at Think Central, it has your things to do. These are our things to do. Today is assignment 8.4, so we click on 8.4 and it brings us to this little lesson with our cute little rabbit who's going to teach us 8.4. Hit start. And our rabbit will walk us through the lesson. You click the arrow after he's done speaking for each section. Now, what you see down here is the 5 points of our lesson. We have the introduction. The next is unlock the problem. The purple one is share and show. So these first 3 parts of the lesson are things that we normally do as a whole class, and we walk through each step together. Now the orange and the yellow, the last 2 steps are our practices. When you get to the orange part, personal math trainer. Now it appears that you could just hit the arrow and move on, but if you roll your finger over this whistle, you'll see that there's actually a couple of questions here for you. There's approximately 2 or 3 questions in this part, and then when you get to the red part, it's similar to our homework page, and that would be the, there's like 10 or 15 questions there. So our last 2 parts of the lesson are practicing them. So we click on the whistle, and it shows you the questions. You answer the questions to the best of your ability. And after you answer the question, you can hit check answer. Then you hit next. So you answer the question. You hit check answer. It tells you if you're correct or incorrect, and then you hit next. You do the next question. When you are done, you hit turn in. This is the way that the teacher can see your answers. So click turn in. Now I did not finish the lesson, so it says, are you sure? Now, normally you would make sure that you have all the answers all the questions answered. The next part, after you finish the orange one, you click on the arrow and you go to the red. This would be similar to our homework pages in our book. Again, you roll your finger over that giant whistle, and now you have approximately a homework page worth of work to do. It's about 10 or 15 questions. Again, you answer them all to the best of your ability. And most importantly, when you are done, click turn in. Now, if you hit save and close, you are saving it. It's kind of like putting it in your own desk. The teacher will not see it if it's in your desk. But if you click turn in, it's kind of like putting it into our sorter, and your teacher will see it. So click turn in, and now I haven't answered all the questions, so normally you would answer all the questions first. Click turn in and it goes to your teacher. Then they can see how many questions you got correct or incorrect. I hope this helps you guys get through your Go Math lessons. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. Take care.